Hey guys, got little Tommy. Boxing Day. Got two packages here. This one, this one. So let's see if I can. Try not to show you guys my labels when I unbox this shit here. I need a better pair of scissors, Jesus Christ. Cheese and crackers. So yeah, Spider-Man last night. Fuck yeah. Fucking amazing movie. I'm not really gonna say anything because of spoilers and stuff, so. But amazing movie. If you haven't seen it, go see it. Okay, looks like this is my. Let's get it out of here. My Chris Brown CD. Now you guys can't see this, but I can. This is actually a 3D cover. Like the diamonds are popping out at me. Okay, so there's. See the back here. Okay, so I'll probably go listen to that later. Put the box over there. Alright, now it's time for this big boy here. Okay. There we go. Completely opened and everything. So let's see, what should I show you guys first? Okay, let's do this one first to get out of the way. I picked up Camp Rock 2. I have the first one, now I have the second, so I really wanted that. Terminator 3. So that way I can have the entire series. Let's see, which one is this? This I picked up because if you guys saw an unboxing earlier, I had Season 2. Well, Season 1, $20, Blu-ray. I couldn't, I want to get the entire series, and this is $20. And surprisingly, as much as I love Heroes, I never actually finished watching the first season. So, next one, I absolutely love this series. So you know what? There's great reviews for it and everything. So that 70 show. I think this was $14. Season 1, 25 episodes on Blu-ray. Fucking great deal. $15. Yep, 25 episodes right there. Okay, so I'm gonna open these in a little bit. I just want to get all these out. Predator 2. If you saw earlier that I had all the Alien movies, I want to get the Predator ones too, so I can have the entire series. Eventually, I will pick up Alien vs. Predator, the double pack. Here's Predator. Okay, this is the last Blu-ray as Terminator, the first one. And then this one I picked up because I've been playing a lot of Rock Band recently, and I really want to play it because it has Taylor Swift and Maroon 5 on it and stuff. $6. So, you can't really beat $6. So, let's get this box out of the fucking way. By the way, there's like no piece of paper, no padding or anything in that box, probably because of my Fortune box that I got. So, it has like all my receipts and stuff on there. Let's see if I can open up Heroes here. I think this is a used shrink wrap, so. Oh, there we go. Put that over there. Heroes, Season 1. Okay, the back. You guys want to look? Pause. Pause. Probably as soon as I'm done watching my seasons of probably my fourth season of Smallville, because I'll start season 5 right after 4, but I probably won't finish it. Reason being is because I need to stop spending money, and if I finish season 5, that means I will have to run out right away by season 6. That's kind of the way Smallville works. Hey, I took my teeth and ripped off the shrink wrap, shot it in the box. Guess I have a good aim. This out, nothing. Oh, spin it too far. There we go. Terminator 3. Now this one I want to open next because it's, if you can see, it's like a book. And most of these movies were all $10. Heroes was the highest for, I think it was $19. Then I had Camp Rock was the next one. I think that was $16. Then That 70 Show, and then Predator and Terminator. Those were all $10, $8. So I didn't spend. And then Chris Brown was only $11 too, which isn't actually that terrible for a deluxe edition. I've been a Chris Brown fan ever since he first came out with his music. Here's this little sticky paper. I'll take this off. Back there. Turn this to the side. Hopefully it will turn to the side for you guys. It's now filming to the side for me. So. I don't know if you guys can read that. Last time I watched this movie, I was pretty young, so actually I don't really remember too much of it. But I remember Terminator 2 a lot because I used to watch the movie a lot. Oh, it's a little stick. It's a little stuck here. There's a little bit ripped off there. I guess something's stuck on it. And here is the disc. That's actually really cool. Blu-ray book. I like those. That's cool. Put that over there. Okay, next up. Predator. I've seen Predator 1. I have only seen parts of Predator 2. I saw it on AMC. It was on like really late at night, so it was uncensored and everything. It might have been a different channel, I don't remember, but I know I watched it on some channel and it was uncensored. Yeah, I know it was AMC, I remember. Sorry guys. Okay, we hit 8 minutes on this video. Oh shit. It's probably a good thing YouTube upped their things to 15. There. It's sticking to my hand. I hate shrink wrap that does it. It's not even sticky, it just sticks in. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna run this a little faster here. I'm gonna put this down so I can unwrap it quick. At least get it started. Give me a second, guys. This is the kind of shrink wrap that also sticks to the side, so it's more difficult to get off. Okay. Fucking stickers. The reason why Blu-rays can be so cheap now, $10, is because of these recycling cases. Okay, so let's open that 70 show now. I was actually able to stick my finger on the side. Do it. I think this is going to be the last one, guys, since most people really don't really give a shit about Camp Rock, so I'm not really going to... Just 1, just 2, 3, 4. Hopefully they'll come out with the other seasons on Blu-ray, too. I haven't seen any news on it, so fingers crossed, but... Have a little bit of time. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna have to move it to the side for a second, guys. Oh, okay. You can watch me take off this stupid sticker. Now I have to move it off to the side for a second. I need my Disney movie reward code. Really in there. Camp Rock. DVD. Digital copy. Can't really spin it here. Okay, I'm not going to open Chris Brown right now because I don't really have a lot of time, and those CDs are a lot more difficult to actually open. So... Anyways, this is my unboxing of all of my stuff. Now, I'm sorry guys, but I'm pretty much done. I was able to use my gift card this time. I have Band Hero here, but I'm pretty sure I unboxed this a while back, so that's not really that big of a deal. Just wanted to get these out of the way. So yeah, I'm done. I have my Naruto box set next week, because next week is the 10th, and then Kingdom Hearts, and that's it. But if I pick anything else up, I'll be sure to unbox it. By the way, want to play a good game? Play this game. It's actually really fun. I was playing a little bit of today. I picked it up yesterday. I took back a couple games of mine that I bought, and I've been playing it. So, very fun game. Spider-Man. Go see the movie, too. Don't play the game before you see the movie, or you're going to be fucked. Later, guys.